SEBA Insert 2024 to 2025 Class 9. English Grammar. Tense forms. Fully solved in one short video. A. Multiple choice questions, MCQ, Mark 1. 1. I underscore this novel since January. A. Wrote. B. Have written. C. Have been writing. D. None of these. Answer. C. Have been writing. Explanation. The sentence uses since January, which indicates an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The present perfect continuous tense, have been writing, is the correct choice. 2. If you underscore your studies, you will fail. A. Neglect. B. Has neglected. C. Are neglecting. D. None of these. Answer. A. Neglect. Explanation. The sentence follows the first conditional structure, if plus present simple, will plus verb. Here, neglect simple present is the correct choice because the result, you will fail, is in the future. 3. When Ram entered my room, I underscore a letter. A. Wrote. B. Was writing. C. Have written. D. None of these. Answer. B. Was writing. Explanation. The sentence describes an action that was in progress when another action occurred in the past. This follows the past continuous tense pattern, when plus past simple, past continuous. So, was writing is the correct choice. 4. Many people underscore in the World War II. A. Are killed. B. Had killed. C. Were killed. D. Killed. Ans. C. Were killed. Explanation. The sentence refers to World War II, which is a past event. Since many people were the recipients of the action, passive voice, we use the past simple passive. Structure. Was were plus past participle. So, were killed is the correct choice. 5. I underscore my dinner yet. A. Did not take. B. Have not taken. C. Had not taken. D. None of these. Answer. B. Have not taken. Explanation. The word yet indicates that the sentence should be in the present perfect tense, have has plus past participle. Structure. Subject plus have has plus not plus past participle. So, have not taken is the correct choice. 6. Hurry up, the bus underscore. A. Is waiting. B. Waits. C. Will wait. D. Was waiting. Answer. A. Is waiting. Explanation. The sentence suggests urgency and an action happening right now. The present continuous tense, is waiting, is used for actions happening at the moment of speaking. Structure. Subject plus is am are plus verb, ing. So, is waiting is the correct choice. 7. Mrs. Das died of cancer after she underscore for 5 years. A. Suffered. B. Has suffered. E. Had suffered. D. Suffers. Answer. C. Had suffered. Explanation. The sentence describes two past events, Mrs. Das's suffering and her death. The suffering happened first and continued for a period before she died. In such cases, we use the past perfect tense, had plus past participle, for the earlier action. Structure. Past perfect, had suffered, plus simple past, died. So, had suffered is the correct choice. 8. When I started for office, it still underscore. A. Rained. B. Were still raining. C. Was still raining. D. Rains. Answer. C. Was still raining. Explanation. The sentence describes an action, raining, that was in progress when another action, I started for office, happened. In such cases, we use the past continuous tense, was were plus verb ing. Structure. When plus past simple, past continuous. So, was still raining is the correct choice. 9. Virat Kohli cannot play in the match as he _ his foot. A. Had injured. B. Injured. C. Has injured. D. None of these. Answer C. Has injured. Explanation. The sentence suggests that Virat Kohli's injury is recent and affects the present situation. He cannot play. The present perfect tense, has plus past participle, is used for actions that happened in the past but have a present consequence. Structure, subject plus has have plus past participle. So, has injured is the correct choice. 10. My brother is not at home. He _ out. A. Goes. B. Is going. C. Has gone. D. Had going. Answer C. Has gone. Explanation. The sentence indicates that my brother is not at home now because he left earlier. The present perfect tense, has have plus past participle, is used for actions that happened in the past but have a present effect. Structure, subject plus has have plus past participle. So, has gone is the correct choice. (11) The new teacher _ us now for 6 months. A. Has been teaching. B. Has taught. C. Teach. D. None of these. Answer A. Has been teaching. Explanation. The phrase, for 6 months, indicates an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The present perfect continuous tense, has have been plus verb ing, is used for such ongoing actions. Structure, subject plus has have been plus verb ing. So, has been teaching is the correct choice. 12. I _ to London last year. A. Have gone. B. Gone. C. Went. D. Had gone. Answer C. Went. Explanation. The sentence refers to a specific time in the past, last year, so we use the simple past tense, went. Structure, subject plus past tense verb. So, went is the correct choice. 13. Mr. Kalita _ for Europe last Friday. A. Has left. B. Left. C. Had left. D. None of these. Answer B. Left. Explanation. The phrase last Friday indicates a specific point in the past. For such cases, we use the simple past tense left. Structure, subject plus past tense verb. So, left is the correct choice. 14. The bus _ at 9 o'clock each morning. A. Started. B. Starts. C. Is starting. D. None of these. Answer B. Starts. Explanation. The sentence describes a routine or habitual action, the bus schedule. For such actions, we use the simple present tense, starts. Structure, subject plus base verb, plus ss for singular subjects. So, starts is the correct choice. 15. Rahim went out after he _ the door. A. Locked. B. Had locked. C. Has locked. D. None of these. Answer B. Had locked. Explanation. The sentence describes two past actions, locking the door and then going out. The past perfect tense, had plus past participle, is used for the action that happened first, locking the door, and the simple past tense is used for the later action, went out. Structure, past perfect, had locked, plus simple past, went out. So, had locked is the correct choice. 16. Ram behaved as though he _ mad. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were. D. None of these. Answer C. Were. Explanation. The phrase as though or as if is used to describe hypothetical or unreal situations. In such cases, we use the subjunctive mood, where were is used instead of was after singular subjects like he. Structure, subject plus were for unreal hypothetical situations. So, were is the correct choice. 17. Amal underscore this work for 6 months. A. Is doing. B. Has been doing. C. Does. D. None of these. Answer B. Has been doing. Explanation. The phrase for 6 months indicates an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The present perfect continuous tense, has have been plus verb ing, is used for such ongoing actions. Structure, subject plus has have been plus verb ing. So, has been doing is the correct choice. 18. They underscore to the theatre tonight. A. Go. B. Will go. C. Are going. D. None of these. Answer C. Are going. Explanation. The sentence refers to a planned future event tonight. When talking about definite future plans, we use the present continuous tense, am is are plus verb ing. Structure, subject plus am is are plus verb ing. So, are going is the correct choice. 19. I underscore here until you return. A. Stay. B. Is staying. C. Will stay. D. None of these. Answer C. Will stay. Explanation. The sentence refers to a future action, until you return. The simple future tense, will plus verb, is used for promises, decisions, or future actions. Structure, subject plus will plus base verb. So, will stay is the correct choice. 20. I underscore deep for a long time. A. Know. B. Have known. C. Have been knowing. D. None of these. Answer B. Have known. Explanation. The phrase, for a long time, suggests an action that started in the past and continues in the present. Know is a stative verb, which means it is not usually used in continuous tenses. The present perfect tense, have has plus past participle, is the correct choice. Structure, subject plus have has plus past participle. So, have known is the correct choice.